Okay, on to reciprocal functions. What is a reciprocal? Reciprocal just means to flip it. That's all you're going to do. Flip the whole thing. You know that. So take a look at this. You do exactly the same thing equations. If you do exactly the same thing to equations, this becomes y equals to 1 over 2x minus 4. But if you remember in the last unit, the unit called rationals, we had to know something down here. We know that that 2x minus 4 cannot equal to 0 because that will give us a non-permissible value. We cannot have a denominator that is 0. So solving for this, we have 2x minus 4 cannot equal to 0. So bring the 4 over. We got 2x cannot equal to 4. Divide by 2 on both sides. X cannot equal to 2. So that becomes our NPV. And that's a non-permissible value. That becomes incredibly important as we go later on. So let's just, before we just leap into it, let's take a look at this. Look at the definition out of your textbook. A reciprocal function is a function of 1 over f of x. In other words, all we're doing here is we're flipping it. That's it. But you have to remember that, guess what? This denominator cannot equal to 0. It's a non-permissible value. So that becomes extremely important when you're doing this. So the reciprocal of y equals to f of x just becomes 1 over f of x, and f of x cannot equal to 0.